two cyclists start 90 kilometers apart and ride towards each other at speeds of 20 kilometers per hour and 25 kilometers per hour. After how many hours will they meet? So there are two cyclists and they are 90 kilometers apart from each other. So one cyclist is here and one cyclist is here. Cyclist number one is moving with the speed of 20 kilometers per hour, while the second cyclist is moving with the speed of 25 kilometers per hour. After how many hours will they meet? So let's say they meet at a point, maybe at this point. Let's suppose they meet at this point. Okay, let's take this point, maybe yes. Let's say they meet at this point. So using the formula speed equals distance over time, for the cyclist number one, the speed is 20 kilometers per hour, but we don't know the time. Let's call this distance as, we don't know the time and we don't know the distance also. So let's just call this distance as x. So if this is x, if this is x, this distance would be 90 minus x, right? This distance would be 90 minus x. So this is 90 minus x. So for the cyclist number one, the distance is x and we don't know the time. Let's call this time t. There is one thing which I would like to mention here. The time it takes for the cyclist number one to travel from here to here would be the same for the cyclist number two to travel from here to here. The time would be the same. It would take them same time. The distance and speed are different, but they would have the same time when they meet. So x would be equals to 20 times t. For the cyclist number two, if we talk about cyclist number two, using the same formula speed equals distance over time, we know the speed is 25 and the distance is now 90 minus x, and the time would be the same, of course. So let's use this t, and then substituting the value of x as 20t, this would be 25 is equals to 90 minus, in place of x I can directly put 20t and this upon t. This would be 25t equals 90 minus 20t. This would be 45t equals 90, and from here I'm getting the value of t as, for 90 over 45, which would be 2 hours. 2 hours, right? So do we have an option of 2? Yes, the option B is correct. So they will meet after 2 hours.